Do you think cast iron pans are awesome? I think they are one of the best tools and everyone should have one in their kitchen. Not only are there a million ways to use it, it is also virtually indestructible. Hi, my name is John Carlo and I'm going to show you how I clean and season a cast iron pan. Start by giving it a thorough wash with regular dishwashing soap and use a steel wool. Water will make it rust, so we have to make sure that it is bone dry. To do that, put it on high heat and let all the excess water and moisture boil off. We start the seasoning process by adding a thin layer of oil to create that non-stick surface. Bring it up to the oil smoking point to start the bonding process. To demonstrate that non-stick surface, I am going to show you how to cook a crispy fried egg. This type of egg is very popular in Southeast Asia. I've seen it in Indonesia, Thailand, and this style is cooked a lot in the Philippines. I prefer this type of egg as opposed to the non-crispy Western counterpart. Now to clean and season after cooking. All you need is hot water and salt. The salt acts as an abrasive and is able to clean the pan without damaging the seasoning at all. Let the excess water boil off because cast iron pans are very susceptible to rust. Lastly, let's put another protective layer of oil on the pan before storing it. We bring it up to the oil smoking point again to avoid the oil from turning rancid. Let it cool on the stove top before storing. Follow these simple rules of seasoning and cleaning and this pan will last you forever. Thank you everyone for watching. I have a lot more content for you planned in the coming weeks, so please do hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Until next time!